Welcome in to another Woolly Review. Today we have got James C Brett Aztec in Aran with Alpaca. Ooh. 90% acrylic, 10% alpaca. And can you see the little hairs? No, they're not mine. I am molting, but not in blue. But these are the little alpaca hairs. Now, I know you can't see my face, but I'm going to just put this on my face. On my face it's fine, but on the inside of my wrist, I would say that there's a little bit of sensitivity there. I'm not allergic to wool, but I can feel that. So I would highly advise, if you are allergic, to steer clear at all costs. So they're asking for a 5mm hook, which I have, and this is in blue velvet. Not that we are here to judge the colour, but, you know, just letting you know what it is. Okay, so this is a 100-gram skein, and on here we have got approximately 190 metres or 208 yards. And we're gonna see what is what. I have never used this before. This is a first, which quite often happens with the woolly reviews anyway. But where is the start? There it is. Okay. So what we're going to do is begin with our chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's hardly any stretch there. There's teeny little bit, but hardly any. The cheapest place that I have found this was for £3.68 per skein on Woolbox. Now, all the details, as with all reviews that I do, are in the description underneath the video. So the care instructions and the official information from James C Brett themselves is all seen down below. Ooh. Yes, it's fuzzy, but it's not so fuzzy I can't see what I'm doing, thankfully. But there we have our first row of single crochet, so let's do another one. And get that in. Now there are, I believe, 17 different colours in this, which isn't overly a great many, but you know, it could be a lot worse. So it's not too bad. I mean, heck, here I am using my favourite colour, so I'm not complaining. Not that we're here to judge the colour. We're not. I mean, I'll judge it quietly in my head. Well, maybe not quite so quietly, but, you know. You judge what you like. This one is my opinion, but by all means, you can leave your opinion down below in the comments. If you have used it before, let me know. If you haven't used it, but you've thought about it, let me know. Would you use it? We're now doing 2 rows of half double crochet. Oops. Well, that was a bit of a ooeck. Ooeck, we say, ooeck. Okay. There's our half double crochets. And we're not here to judge my crochet skills or lack of. That's not what we're going to do. Oh. And I'm going in for one more row of the half double. Well, it definitely split on that bit. Let's try that again. Splitty, splitty. 1, 2. There we go. Gotta say, it's very, very silky to use. It's really, really gliding on the hook quite well. It feels more like a chunky than an Aran. And I would definitely say that going with that, it's probably on the thicker side of Aran anyway. But it does feel quite thick. It also feels quite warm, actually. Doesn't feel too bad in the hand as I'm using it. And we're going in for 2 rows of double crochet on the way up to see the frog. And this is feeling rather nice, I have to say. The only thing that I'm not really liking at this point is the fact that it is splitty, which I don't overly like. I think if you're a little bit careful, you should be okay with it. And don't tell me I would use a different hook, because I'm using the one that is recommended on the ball band. Just because that's what it says doesn't mean that's what you have to use for your project, and it doesn't necessarily mean that's what I would use for my project. But with these reviews, I want to give it its best chance. So as per the manufacturer's instructions, if it asks for a 5mm, I will use a 5mm just to do the review. Okay. And the last stitch going in now. Thank you very much, hook. Appreciate it. So I am definitely feeling the alpaca here. Like, I'm not allergic, like I said, but I can feel the tickling. I can feel that fibre on my skin. Stitch definition, not too bad. For something that is quite fuzzy, the stitch definition there isn't too bad at all. I would certainly say that is passable. Passable. But let's do the skin test. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. If I do, I apologise now. Would I wear that? As an outer layer, yes. As a single layer, probably not. But it doesn't feel bad. So, Monsieur Frog, let's go for a walk. By that I mean that we're just going to do a slow frog and see how it does. That seems perfectly fine. Again, because of all the fuzz, I wasn't expecting that, but hey frog, jump on your moped. Let's go for a quick frog. And that's doing perfectly well as well. No problem. But look at the kinkage. We have some definite kinky stuff going on right here. And we've got blue bits flying as well. Okay. So, what am I going to say about C Brett Aztec Aran with Alpaca? Well, let's put its ball band back on first. And let's have a thinky do, shall we? So would I turn my back on it completely? It's a lot of fuzz. No, I wouldn't turn my back on it completely. I would give it a second glance. I'd definitely give it a second glance. If I was after an acrylic alpaca blend, or an Aran for outerwear, would it be up there in my choices? Yeah, I think it would. Would it be in my top 10? Yes, it probably would. But quite honestly, I'm not going any further than that. I'm not. It is quite a thick Aran. And it feels nice to work with, except it's splitty. And even though I'm not allergic to the fibre, even I can feel it being a little bit overly itchy, which is quite possibly an issue. The good thing is, yes, it's fuzzy, but you can see your stitches. You're not having to fight through the fuzz to try and find your stitch. That's pretty good. Stitch definition is good. It is thick, which can be a good or a bad, depending on what you're looking for. But it's not bad. It's an average Joe, is what I'm going to say. It's an average Joe. I'm keeping it at 3. I mean, it is expensive, but it's alpaca. It's kind of expected. But this is what I'm giving it. Maybe you would give it something different if you've used it. Or would you steer away from it completely? Let me know down in the comments down below. And those, whether they've used it and liked it or used it and hated it, give me your details, and you may well be a pinned comment. But until then, I will see you soon, hopefully in another woolly review. Take care. Bye-bye.